Hello, this is a short video showing you how to work and answer questions on a worksheet that you have downloaded from Schoology and is now on your iPad. Okay, the first step is to open your Files app. My Files app is right here at the bottom of my screen. But if you do not know where yours is, then simply put your finger anywhere on the screen where there is not an app and pull down. Then you want the Files app, so type the word Files. And you'll see there's your applications and there's the Files application. Tap on that. The file that I want is on my iPad and I have it in my Math folder. So I will do on my iPad and Math folder, and it is the integers comparison paper. So that is the file I'm going to work on. I will tap on it and it will open. Now I need to open some tools to let me work on it. In the upper right corner, you will see two icons. The one on the right is the share icon. It looks like a square with an arrow coming out of it. The one next to it is the tools icon, and it is a marker pen. Tap on that, and at the bottom of the screen, you will see the tools. You can leave it there, or by putting your finger on the little line at the top, you can slide it to the side. You can also do other things like minimize it, but I don't want to do those things right now. I have multiple tools that I can use: a marker pen, a highlighter, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and then even more. If I hit the plus sign, I can put in text. I can do all sorts of other things. However, I want to use the marker pen, and I'm going to change it to a blue color by selecting that blue. Now I want to zoom in so that I can write smaller. The way to do that is to take your two fingers, put them on the screen, and separate them. Then, using two fingers again, slide until you can see the first question. Reading the directions, it says I have to use one of these three symbols: is greater than, is less than, or is equal to. Well, negative 47 I know is less than 2, so I'm going to put the is less than symbol. That finishes number 1. I'll use my two fingers again to go to number 2. I know 700 is greater than 16, so I will put the is greater than symbol. And if I'm not happy with it, I'll use my eraser and erase it, go back to the pen, and I will put the is greater than symbol again, only this time I'll be a bit more careful. Now I move over to number 3, again, using my two fingers. I know negative 700 is lower than negative 16, so I will put is less than. I know that negative 2 million is less than 1, and I will put is less than, again using two fingers to navigate around. Now, this says write these in order from least to greatest. So I will start with the most negative number, negative 3,000. So I will write negative 3,000. I'm going to fix that circle, that 0, put a comma, and I've used that one up. Now I know the next one will be negative 76, so I will write negative 76 and put a comma. Next one will be negative 48, so I will put negative 48. Next one will be negative 3, so I will put negative 3. Now I have used up all the negative numbers, so now I'm going to slide over to give myself some space to work. After the negatives come 0, so that uses up 0. Now I only have positive numbers left. I have 5 and 20. I know that 5 is less than 20, so I will put 5, and then I will put 20. And I finished the entire first part. Now, there is no second page because as I push up with two fingers, I reach the bottom, and it just stops. So I know that I'm finished. However, now I have to make sure it's saved. How do I make sure it's saved? Do you see in the upper left it says done? Well, I'm done, so I'm going to hit done. And it's saved. Here, I'll show you. I tap on that, and there I see the work. I'll hit done again. That is how to work on a paper that has been saved in your files on your iPad. If you have any questions, send your teacher a message. Make sure you understand this. Thank you.